mentioned earlier that conducting a security audit is necessary to be compliant with certain ISO acts and standards. We will cover a few of the standards in a moment. Now, depending on the different types of business process that occur in an organization, there will more likely be at least one of the regulatory standards that the organization will need to be compliant with. It is highly recommended to attend some additional training in the appropriate law or standard.
It regulates PCI DSS, regulates merchants and service providers involved in the storage, processing, and transmission of credit and debit card information. HIPAA, been around for a while, requires that healthcare providers, health plans, and healthcare information clearinghouses follow a very stringent set of security and privacy standards for protected health information. FERPA, FERPA, governs the handling and disclosure of student educational records by educational institutions. GLBA, it requires that financial institutions develop and implement an information security program that is based upon a risk assessment and a formal written security plan. SOX governs the financial accounting practices of publicly traded companies and the implementation of security controls around systems that handle financially significant information. COPPA regulates the ways that website operators can interact with children under the age of 13.